Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So in my previous video, I share you that Samsung has started rolling out One UI 8.5 stable update globally for Samsung Galaxy S25 series, including S25 FE and for the Galaxy Fold 7 and Flip 7. So guys, in that video, I got hundred of comments like people are asking what about Samsung Galaxy S24 series, including S24 FE and for the Galaxy Fold 6 and Flip 6. When will they get the update? As you can see, there are hundred of comments. And I know guys, you guys also want the update instantly because now you know that Samsung Galaxy S25 series has already received update globally. So guys, it's my duty to give you genuine news, and I have a very good news for you all guys, all the Samsung S24 series including Fold 6 and Flip 6. Okay. And the good news is guys, Samsung has already started rolling out One UI 8.5 official update for Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Just few hours ago, like 2 or 3 hours ago, Samsung has rolled out the update to Korean users. Okay, as you all know, it's kind of Samsung pattern that they will first roll out the updates to Korean users, then they give updates to global users. So this is the screenshot from Samsung S24 Ultra getting One UI 8.5 stable update in Korea. You can take a screenshot and translate it if you want to fact check. Okay, and this is the screenshot of normal S24 getting One UI 8.5 stable update in Korea, and this is the screenshot from Fold 6, and this is the screenshot from Flip 6 getting One UI 8.5 stable update in Korea, and this is the screenshot of Samsung S24 FE getting One UI 8.5 stable update in Korea. So yeah, the huge good news is Samsung has already started rolling out One UI 8.5 official update for Samsung Galaxy S24 series, including S24 FE and for the Fold 6 and Flip 6. Now obviously you guys might be thinking, when will be the global release for S24 series? Well guys, you don't have to wait much. I think tonight or maybe tomorrow, or highest maybe day after tomorrow, you will receive One UI 8.5 official update in all this device globally, like India, US, UK, Germany, Poland, all for all the countries. So yes guys, I just wanted to share this good news to all the S24 users, because in my previous video, like 100 of comments I got from S24 series. So I thought, why not make a video and inform you guys that Samsung has already started rolling out, and you might receive tonight or maybe tomorrow. Okay, and also guys, if you have other phones like S23 series, A series, N series, then I don't want to repeat again and again. I already told in my previous three videos that I have already made a video about release date. Just go and watch this video, link will be in the description. Then you will know that when will S23, S22, A series, N series, F series will receive One UI 8.5 stable update. Okay, link will be in the description. Again, thank you very much for watching this video. If I get any other big news regarding a stable update for other device, I will definitely make a video and inform you guys. Till then, thank you very much for watching. And if you have a Samsung phone, do subscribe to this channel guys. You won't be disappointed. Okay, and also please like this video. Like is completely free. It will motivate me to make this kind of videos more. Have a great day. Bye. Take care.